Hello everyone, welcome back to RPA Automation. In today's video, we are going to see PDF integration in Automation Anywhere. In today's video, we can see here under PDF package here lots of PDF actions, PDF manipulation. You can see here various type of actions and their use is also different types. So we are going to see one by one all these difference or all these actions. We are going to explore one by one. So let's start today's video. So first two actions, I think you already know what is encrypt and what is decrypt. So if you want to keep your PDF as a private, then you can encrypt or you can use encrypt or decrypt action. So I'm not going to explore this section because this sections is already you can also know. So we are going to see extract field. So just drag and drop here. And you can see here they are asking your PDF file path. So we just need to select a PDF file and then we are going to select our file here. So we have selected our PDF file. Then you can again here select open PDF viewer. Then again select your PDF path. This one is PDF path. And you can see here they are giving you our PDF here. So if you want to extract only field value, like only bank address, if you want to extract only piece of information, like only extract, you can extract account summary, you can extract this amount also, you can extract this date reference number. So you simply we can just drag here which field you want to extract. Just drag, add custom key name. You can give as a specific meaningful name, account account summary, and close. You can add multiple field. Like I am just for the example, I am just going to extract only one field, this account summary. You can extract multiple fields also. So close and just create one dictionary variable. This is my dictionary variable, right? So take one message box to see our output and give here our output variable. And you can add here expression also by using name. So our account summary is name and just run our bot. So I hope bot is running fine and bot should need to give our extracted part only. So it's downloading dependency. Using this action, we can extract only a piece of information. You can see here account summary is extracted successfully. Using this action, you can extract only a field value. Now you are able to know. So we can see next our action. Extract field is already we have explained. Now extract image. So just disable this action and give our file path as same previous action. And as of now in my PDF file there is no any images. So still also I'm going to give this PDF file all pages. You can select your page range also. And if you want to select uh, uh, PNG, GIF, JPG, which format you want to select your image, then you can select here. And output folder path, here, here must need to give here output folder path. So I'm going to give here output folder path. So this is my output folder path. Uh, just here, and under RPA notes, I want to create one our output name PNG file. So our file name will be output, and can see here a prefix will be output. You can give here a any prefix also. So if the file is already exist, I want to overwrite this file, right? And give here one dictionary name, a dictionary variable. So disable of previous action and just run our bot to see the output. So it will give your PDF in PNG format, image format. Here one exception is occur. Let me see what is happened. Okay, this folder is not available. That's why this exception is occur. So I have removed this output folder. Just remaining part I have put here. So now we can run our bot. So this action will give you your PDF into PNG format. So we can check our path also, and our path will be document RPA notes. This you can see here. This PNG format is created by our bot, right? So now we are going to explore our another action, that is extract text. So this action is very important or very useful while you want to extract your PDF. Then uh, you you can use this action. This action will extract your PDF, whole PDF, word by word. So just give our PDF file path here. This is our PDF file path, and ID password is not available for this PDF. All pages, plain text. I want to extract plain text, and here you can give our extracted data. This is right. So under RPA notes, um, in the RPA notes folder, I want to create um, one output text, output file text. So just run our bot to see the output. This dictionary variable, if you want to create, you can create. This is totally optional. So if you want to create, you can create, otherwise you can leave it. So our bot is run successfully, and you can check our extracted output using this path. So just go to our output folder path and under document. So this is our extracted output. So this is extracted in the plain text format, because we have selected here plain text format. If you select here structured text, then as per the PDF structure, bot will extract this text. So next action is get property. So disable our previous action and explore new action with get property. So using this action, we are able to retrieve all our PDF file properties like their name, path, all this information will be provided. So here we have to select our uh, output variable, and here you one message box to see the output, here dictionary to string, and just run our bot. To see the output. So you can see here PDF title is bank statement XLSX. A PDF file name is this. PDF subject and PDF author. All this information bot is have extracted. So now you are able to see, or now you are able to explore this get property, how we can use, and what is use of this action. So you can see here. And last is a merge document. So you can merge your multiple your PDF files. So we are going to give your our first PDF file here in the download. This is our first PDF, and just click on add. Again, you have to click on add PDF documents. Then again, select our second PDF. This is our second PDF. Add and create one file path. This will be in the PDF extension file. So under RPM notes, I want to create output dot PDF file. If already present, already disable this message box and run our action. So this action will we can use for the merging PDF multiple PDFs, and simply just our bot is run successfully, and we can check our output in this folder output file path. So under file in documents RPM notes, and you can see here our output PDF file. So this is our first PDF, and this is our second PDF. So all these two PDF file, our bot is merge two PDF file into one, right? So this merge document action we have explored, and last is split document. So for that, split document is simply we can split our multiple pages PDF into our expected size. So here we can give our file path. So I have not available large number of pages PDF. So I'm not exploring this action, but this actions is as suggesting the name, you can explore this action. So here we can give our PDF file, and uh, if you which pages you want to extract. So I want to extract only if your PDF have 14 pages, then we can give here only 10 pages also. So only 10 pages, till 10 pages, our bot will extract this file. Or you can give your ranges also. So if you want to extract 5 to 10, if you want to extract 1 to 3, then bot is able to extract only these pages. Right. So here, blank page as a separator. If in your PDF have any blank page, then this action you can use. And here you have to provide our output file path to save our output file, extracted file or separated file. You can see here, and you can give here any prefix also, any output file as we have given previous actions, and this dictionary variable is optional. So you can see we have explored all these PDF actions using this PDF package. So it's very simple, but I have seen in the interview also this question is asked, PDF automation or PDF integration. If you done, then they can ask this type of question: how we can extract field, how we can extract image, how we can extract text, how we can get a property from any file or PDF file. Right. So do practice in your laptop, then you are able to easily know this all actions used. And that's it. Now how to fully integrate PDF in your automation, in your workflows, we have seen here. Whether it's encrypting sensitive files, extracting data, or merging documents, you have got the tools to handle it all. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel, RP Automation. And if you want to make video, any other questions or other answers, then drop them into the comment below. So see you in the next video. Until next time, you can keep automating. You have to uh, do everyday practice in your system. Then you can easily get to know, or you can easily able to understand the use of all these actions and all these packages. So bye bye, see you in the next video.